Proverbs. Proverbs deepens a man's way of thinking. It makes the primitive knowledgeable and it increases the knowledge of the knowledgeable. Proverb makes the wise to become wiser. Proverb number Amakbala Madwakbo O. In English, he who helps to carry a load does not develop a hump. The morals. A helper does not completely take over another man's burden. In the end, every individual have to carry their own burden. Proverb number 2. Adoglomodu atadi eye akpokloji afifia o. The lizard does not eat pepper for the frog to sweat. Morals. This proverb is teaching how a person must be responsible for their actions. Number 3. Amasibla apa agbala eye boa edrola alo agbadrola. Is he who gets his bundle ready, get help to place it on the head or carry it. Thank you for watching. Please follow me for more.